Hi, welcome back to Singapore model drawing. Now, today we are going to look at how we are going to make long units in model drawing. So in the last week, we talked about how to cut the model to get short units. So now we're going to look at how to make long units. So Mark and Lin have a total of 89 stickers. Lin has 21 more stickers than Mark. How many stickers has Lin? All right, how many stickers has Lin? So when you see the word more than, less than, that is a clue for comparison model. And how exactly does a comparison model look like? You have two rectangles at least, right? At least two rectangles of different length, but sometimes they can also be of the same length. So as long as you have at least two rectangles to compare, that is called a comparison model. So Lin has 21 more stickers than Mark. So Mark will have a shorter rectangle, and this is your 21 more. And they have a total of 89 stickers. So what is a good model drawing? So if you revise what we have done the last few weeks, a good model drawing has labelings, arrow indicator, right? There's an arrow sign, there are numbers, and there's a question mark. So we need to put a question mark so that we know what to find. So how many stickers has Lee? So this is the question mark. All right, you can see that the model is done already. So what is a good model? A good model is when you can look at the model without having to look at the question. So if you look at the model, you can see that you want to find Lin, right? Lin has how many stickers? So I want to find the value of the longer box. So what do? I stretch. Okay, I stretch Mark's rectangle to get the longer box as well. So now I have two longer boxes. All right, I have two boxes of the same length. So what do I call these two boxes of the same length? I call them units. Okay, units. So this is a unit, right? And this is also another 1 unit. So what have you done? You stretch it to make it longer. So when do we stretch the rectangle? We stretch the rectangle when we want to find the value of the longer box, which is Lin. Lin has a longer box, so we want to find the value of the longer box. So when you stretch it, what will happen to the total? Now, you now have 2 units, and the total will increase, right? Increase by 21 because the model has become bigger. So 89 plus 21, you will get 110. So what is your 1 unit? That will be 110 and then divide by 2, and that will give you 55. So how many stickers has Lin? So Lin has 55 stickers because she has 1 unit. And that's how you solve the problem, right? So when you do this way, you actually cut down the steps, right? You reduce the steps so that you can get the answer faster. Usually in primary schools, teachers, they always cut, right? They always cut to get shorter units. But we need to be aware that you can also stretch to make longer units. And when you do this way, you find that you actually have one lesser steps, right? So this is how we make long units from the model. So when you do harder questions on model drawing, or when you try to draw models for harder problems, you find that sometimes you will need to cut, or sometimes you may need to stretch it in order to continue to draw, or in order to use the model to solve. All right. So this is what you can learn, what you can see in the lesson today. And in the next coming lesson, we will talk about multiplication model. What exactly is a multiplication model? So see you in the next lesson video.